Hi, welcome to the next video. In this video, I want to help you to choose the right employee monitoring tool for your business without overcomplicating things. Okay? So if you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider advising your clients, this video is for you. There are so many tools out there, tools that allow you time tracking, tools that allow productivity dashboards, with insight reports, tools that are real, that allow real forensic monitoring, yeah, with keystroke functionality and everything. And finally, the fourth type of tools that give you the possibility to live screen viewing. Okay, these four types of monitoring functionalities you can choose from. And if you just type employee monitoring software into Google, it all looks similar. But in reality, these tools do very, very different things. So in this video, I'll walk through a simple way to decide what you actually need instead of getting lost in hundreds of features and marketing pages. So first, let's look at the four main categories so you know what is out there. And you see here the page of one of these tools. So I first gonna tell you a bit about it, and after that I demonstrated how it works. Okay, so first let's look at the categories. The first category is a simple time tracking tool, right? These tools mainly record when someone starts and stops work, how long they were active, and sometimes which projects they were working on. Typically, example are tools where the employees click start and stop on a timer, or where the system just records keyboard and mouse activity. Yeah. So this is the first category. The second category is usage report tools. Yeah, these focus on which programs are used and which websites are opened. Yeah, and at the end of the day or week, you will get a report like this much time has been worked on Word, this much time the browser has been used, these websites were open, these this percentage of productive versus unproductive apps, and so forth and so on. This is the second category of tools. The third category of tools is are deep forensic tools that collect a lot of data from the employees. Yeah, so these can go very, very far. They might log keystrokes. So uh, you know everything that they type on chat, for example, and um, they might record file access and USB usage. They must allow you to see emails they sent and emails they receive. They might take screenshots and build a very detailed log of everything that happened on that particular computer, PC. These tools are often used in high security environments or for internal investigations, yeah, and are tools that collect a lot of data, so to speak. And the fourth category is live screen viewing. Yeah? So here, the focus is not on lists and numbers, but on actually seeing the employee's screen in real time, like a remote desktop view, but without taking control. So you can watch what's happening now, in the background, so to speak, and sometimes also review screenshots, as simple as visual history. But the focus is live screen view without collecting a lot of data, without saving any data to the server, but only live screen view. Yeah. Now, how do you decide which type is right for you? So instead of starting with the tool, start with a few simple questions. Question number one, what is your main goal? Is your main goal to have clean timesheets and billable hours for client? Then simple time tracking might already be enough. Is your main goal to get a general idea of how company PCs are used and whether people spend too much time on social media or private browsing? Then a usage report tool might be a fit. Or is it your main goal to investigate serious incidents like data leaks, fraud, or insider threats? Then a deep forensic tools may be relevant, but they are also the most intrusive complex and data collecting tools? Uh, or is your main goal to actually see what employees are doing on the screen, to verify work, to support new staff, and to react quickly to suspicious activities? Then, in those situations, live screen viewing is usually the most direct solution. The second question, question number two, that you should ask yourself is, how much detail do you really need? For many business owners, a simple visual answer is enough. Show me what's on the screen, so to speak. And you might not need thousands of log entries or complex reports. You might just want to see what is happening right now. And sometimes go back and check what was on the screen earlier. So if you don't plan to dig through technical logs all the day, then a lighter visual approach like live screen viewing is usually easier to work with. So then question number three you should ask yourself is, how intrusive do you want it to be? Uh, um, Deep forensic tools and keyloggers are very, very powerful, but they also collect very sensitive data, and you need a clear legal and ethical justification for that level of monitoring. You also have to expect much stronger reactions from employees, because keylogging and deep surveillance feel very, very invasive. On the other hand, live screen viewing, yeah, is often easier to explain. We can see your work screen um, on the computer PC during working hours, just to be able to take a look from time to time over the shoulder. It's not monitoring, it's not saving data, it's not most of the times users that use this kind of tool, they not even save screenshots, although of course a lot of these tools also allow screenshot history functionality, but they don't need it. The users that use this kind of monitoring, they only want to be able to take a look over the shoulder of the employee, to see the real time actual live screen of the particular employee. Question number five, how much technical complexity can you handle? Uh, some solutions require servers, databases, and complex configurations. You might need a full-time IT admin just to run them, but as a small and medium business, you often want something that is simple to install and easy to manage and doesn't require a huge project. So if you want to avoid overcomplicating things, look for tools with a straightforward setup. Install a client, log into a dashboard, and you're ready to see the screens, live screen, so to speak. Question number five, what about your legal and HR framework? Very important. So this video is not legal advice, obviously. It's just technical information, how it works from a technical standpoint of view. Before you choose a tool, you should always check what is allowed in your country for your use case and your specific case, and how you need to inform your employees or if. So some tools collect so much data that they may trigger stricter legal requirements, and others, like simple time tracking, may be easier to justify and document. So no matter what you choose, you should have a clear policy: which devices are monitored, when monitoring takes place, who has access to the data, and how long it is stored. Now, where does live screen monitoring like Wolfeye, as you know, we are here from wolfeye.co, fit into this picture? It fits best for companies that say things like, I don't want to read long reports, I just want to see what's on the screen right now, live in real time. I want to check on remote staff and freelancers and verify that they're actually working on our tasks. I want a tool that is not too complex, but gives me real visibility when I need it. With live screen viewing, you can see all company PCs in one dashboard, open any screen in full size in real time, and optionally, well, this is only an option and nobody uses it, but optionally, it allows you also to keep some kind of screenshot history for later review in case you needed it. So you don't have to interpret a lot of numbers or categories. You literally see the work as it happens in real time. To sum it up, basically how it works, you see it here in the screenshot, but I will demonstrate it in this video to you. To sum it up, Start with your goal, decide how much detail you truly need, think about how intrusive you want to be, consider your technical capacity, and always check the legal requirements in your country. If your main question is, what are my employees actually doing on their screens, and you don't want to overcomplicate things, then a live screen monitoring solution like Wolfeye.co is often the most direct answer. So in the rest of the video, I want to demonstrate to you how live screen monitoring with Wolfeye.co actually works. It works like this. Basically, you install on each of the employees' computers, on your business PCs, you install a small piece of software. I will demonstrate it also to you on each of the business computers. Very easy to install. It takes only half a minute, and I will demonstrate it here also. Basically, after you install it, you receive a dashboard like this. Wolfeye.com. This is the demo dashboard, what I'm showing here to you. I'm already logged in. So this is the dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed. So you log into your dashboard and receive this grid, so to speak. For each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye, you will see the live computer screen of that particular computer. So again, this is a demo dashboard, and that's why you only see dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see the live screen for each of the computers. And live screen means it is a screenshot updated every 3 seconds, every 2 to 3 seconds. Do you see? 2, 1, 1. Every 2 to 3 seconds, a screenshot is updated here in the server. So you will see it in real time with a time lag of 2 to 3 seconds, the live computer screen of each of the computers. You could also take a closer look at one of these computers by clicking on the live link. You choose one computer, let's say this, right mouse click, open a new tab, and then for that particular computer, the live screen opens in a new browser in full size, so to speak. That's how it works, basically. So if you wanted to install it to try it out for 14 days, come to our website, wolfeye.co, and click on the button that says 14 days free trial. You click it, and you can here book a demo session. So select your time zone to make sure we're probably in different time zones. I'm in Germany. Select your time zone, select the day and the time. That this will make sure that we both are sure we are both available in our time zone, so to speak. And in that demo session, two things will happen. First, I will send you the download link so that you can try it within the trial period. Okay, I will send you the download link, and second, I will give you the demo. I will give you the demo. This means Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer. I will give you access to my dashboard, and you will see my live screen, exactly how it works, so that you know, do you want to try it? You will see my live screen on my dashboard, so to speak. And then you can install it on your computers, on all computers, on one or two computers as you like, and I can guide you through the installation. In a Google Meet session, you can share the screen, and I can guide you. I can see your screen and guide you. Do this, do that. And the installation only takes a few seconds. Basically, I give you the download link, and this is the downloaded setup file. To install it, you only have to double click this installation wizard that appears after double clicking it, and hit the install button. You hit the install button, setup is complete, and you hit the finish button, and that launches Wolfeye Remote Screen control window. And now to set it up, you just hit these two buttons. The green button that says share screen, and then the stealth mode button that says stealth mode. The green button, you hit it, it's already then sharing the screen. It turns red, it means it's sharing the screen. And the blue button, you hit it, and it goes into the background, so to speak. That's it, and the computer is already set up. And one last thing about privacy, how it works. You can go to the website wolfeye.co and scroll down to this feature page, scroll down, and basically how it works is the computer, you install a small piece of software, and the computer will make a screenshot every 2 to 3 seconds and send it to our server, so that it can be shown on that dashboard. And then after 3 seconds, the new screenshot is sent to the server, but